Hello students, welcome again to my class. Earlier we have done up to question number 6 of exercise 5.2. Now today we will start from question number 7. So you join with me, open page number 131. Today we will start from question number 7. So the question number 7 is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So first of all we will consider the first term and the common difference. Let the first term be A and the common difference be D. So given 11th term is 38. 11th A11 is equal to 38 implies, so if A11 is there, then if we write the formula, then A plus 10D is equal to 38. Okay. Earlier I said 11, if 11 is there, then 1 minus 11, that is 10. If n is there, then n minus 1. So and second condition is 16 term is 73. So A16 is equal to 73 implies A plus 15D is equal to 73. So this is equation number 2. So here first of all we will find out A and then D. We will find out D, then we can find out 31st term. So to find A or D, if we calculate these two equations, if we subtract 1 minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus 2, then A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is equal to how much? 73. Then AA will get cancelled. Then minus 5D is equal to how much? 35 minus 35, it is 73. Then D will become 7. Okay. So if D is 7, then from equation number 1, A plus 10D is equal to 38 implies A is equal to A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38 implies A plus 70 is equal to 38 implies A is equal to 70, 38 minus 70, and what is becoming minus how much? 32. A is minus 32. Copy this. So now A and D is found out. Now we have to find out 31st term. Therefore, A31 is equal to A plus 30D is equal to minus 32 minus plus 30 into D, how much? 7. Then how much? One 73. $170, 110, 32, 8, 7, 178. Now your answer is 178. Your next question is, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third terms is 12 and the last term is 106. Find 29th term. So like this question number 7, you will do it. Here L is given. So L, in place of L, you will write the formula, then you will continue. Just I am giving some hints. NAP consists of 50 terms, that is N is 50, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Here N is equal to 50. A3 is equal to 12. Implies A plus twice D is equal to 12. Equation number 1. And how much? L is equal to 106. We have to find out what? 29th term. To find A29. So to find out A29, we need the value of A and the value of D. Here you can write, before starting, let the first term A and the common difference in short form be D. We have L is equal to 106, implies A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 106. Okay. Now the value of n is given, A plus 50 minus 1D is equal to 106, implies A plus 49D is equal to 106. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now this is the formula of L I put. Then in place of n I have written 50 because n is 50 given. Now earlier in this equation number 2 and equation number 1 and 2 we got, then like earlier sum you can solve. Okay, first we find out A and D, then you will get easily. 29 term. Now question number 9. Okay, got it? I am rubbing, you continue it yourself. Question number 9. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? Here question is which term, that is, what is to find out? Which term, that is an something here, 0 is there, so we have to find out n. So if the third term and ninth term are 4 and minus 8, okay, let the first term, question number 9 I am solving now, let the first term be A and the common difference D. Given A3 is equal to something given, what is the value? 4 implies A plus twice D is equal to 4, equation number 1, and A9 is equal to minus 8 implies, minus 8 is given, implies A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. Also, AN also given, AN is equal to 0. You see, your question is which term of the AP is 0, that is AN is equal to 0, one hint given. To find, what is to find out now? To find N, we have to find out N, that is number of term, which number of term. Okay, so if we consider equation number 1 and 2 and like earlier, if we find out D and A, then we can complete the sum. So if we solve this equation now, 1 minus 2 implies A plus twice D is equal to 4, A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Solving to find out A or and D. So A got cancelled, minus 6D is equal to how much? Okay, implies D is equal to minus 2. D is minus 2. Now putting this value in equation number 1 or 2, we can find out A. Now from 1, A plus twice D is equal to 4 implies A plus 2 into the value of D is minus 2 is equal to 4, implies A minus 4 is equal to 4 implies A is equal to 8. Okay. Now the value of A is found out, value of D is minus 2, then we can find out N easily using the formula of AN. Now since AN is equal to 0, what is the main formula of AN? A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Okay. Now put the value of A and D. What is the value of A? 8 plus N minus 1 into, what is the value of D? Minus 2. Then is equal to 0. Okay. Then I am doing here implies 8 plus 8 minus 2 into N minus 1 is equal to 0 implies 8 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0 implies twice N minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0 implies minus twice N is equal to minus 10 implies N is equal to 5. Look at the look at the board and try to understand the sum. So your question was in which term of the AP is 0. So you can write the conclusion. Therefore, the fifth term of the AP is 0. Your question was which term of the AP is 0? We got the value of N as 5, so we can conclude as the fifth term of the AP, the given AP is 0. Okay. Now your question is question number 10. The 10th term of an AP exceeds the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Now we have to find out the common difference of an AP whose 17th term is exceeds by 7 from 10th term. We don't know the first term, but here not required also, not mentioned, but we have to declare it first. Question number 10. Let the first term be A and the common difference I am writing now CD be D. So according to condition, what is there? The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. 17th term, that is A17 is equal to A10 plus 7, or in other words we can say A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. In both way you can do, but we will do here in this way. So A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. So A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. You see, A getting cancelled, then 16D minus 9D is equal to 7 implies 7D is equal to 7 implies D is equal to 1. Therefore, the common difference is equal to 1. Okay. So, just we have to know the value of A and D. Okay. Here we have to find out the value of D. So, we have done using formula. Like this, you can do question number 11. You see, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Can you do? I think you can. So, I am giving homework this question number 11 for you. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 ... will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term, that is AN? Here A is first term. So, A's value is given 3. Given the first term, here first term is A is equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to 15 minus 3, 12. Okay. Then you continue it, we will get easily. Question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 10th term is the difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Okay. If you cannot do question number 11 or face any problem, then you may contact with me. Then I will try to solve you. Two APs have the common difference D. So, common difference we are generally using D. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? This is your question. Let the question number 12. Let the first term be A and the let the first term of first series be A. Therefore, the series is A1, A2, A3, A4, ... Okay. And the first term, two series are there. First term of second series be T. I am here considering two series. So, one's first term is A and other's first term is T. Therefore, the series is T1, T2, T3, T4. Since the since the common difference is same, or let the common difference be D for both series. Okay. Now given hundred term. What about 100 term? The difference between their 100 terms is 100. So first series having first term A. So now given A 100 minus T 100 is equal to 100. You see, the 100 term of first series is A 100 and the first 100 term of second series is T 100, because first series first term is A and second series first term is T. So A 100 minus T 100 is equal to 100. We have to find out difference between 1000 terms. So here we are, as we have common difference D is same for two series. So A plus 99 D, taking common difference as D, minus T plus 99 D is equal to 100. Okay, got it? Common difference for first series is D and the common difference of second series also D. Here it was T by mistake. So A plus 99D plus T plus 99D is equal to 100. Implies A plus 99D minus T minus 99D is equal to 100. Now you see 99D and 99D got cancelled, then A minus T is equal to 100. This termed as equation number 1, it will be used later. Okay. Now we have to find out the difference between their 1000 terms. Here the difference between their 100 terms was given 100. Now we have to find out difference between the 1000 terms. Okay, up to here. Now we are finding A1000 minus T1000. Now A1000 minus T1000 is equal to A plus 999D minus T plus 999D, okay, is equal to A plus 999D minus T plus minus 999D. Just I am trying to simplify it. So what we got? 999 plus here 999 minus. So remain what? A minus T. Now A minus T is, the value of A minus T is 100. Earlier we have given equation number 1 is equal to, we can write 100 from 1. Okay. So this was your question, difference between their 1000 term. Therefore you can conclude here, therefore the required difference is equal to 100. Okay. This was your question number 12. Sorry. Now question number 13. You see, how many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? Your question is, how many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? It is okay? Now in rubbing. So before starting question number 13, we have to discuss something. How many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? Here we have to know the least 3 digit number and the greatest 3 digit number. We have least 3 digit number as 100. This is the least 3 digit number. If we decrease 1 from this number, then it will become 2 digit number. You see, 1, if we subtract 1 from here, then it will become 99. So 99 is 2 digit number. So least 3 digit number is 100. And the greatest 3 digit number is 999. That is, if we subtract 1, then also 998, it is also 3 digit number. If we add 1, then it will become 1000, that is 4 digit number. So here we can conclude that least 3 digit number is 100 and the greatest 3 digit number is 99. Now your question is, how many 3 digit number are divisible by 7? Okay, in between 100 and 99, the number are there, many numbers are there, you may count, there is a technique, but our question is, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 7? Now we have to know one more thing, that the least 3 digit number divisible by 7 is what? Okay, there is a technique. Least 3 digit number divisible by 7, you see, 100 is a 3 digit number. Now if we divide it by 7, then what will become? 7 1 jar 7, remain what? 3, then 30, what? 28, then what? 2. So to make 2 is divisible, how much we have to add? We have to add 5. So there will be 7. So if there would be 7, then it would be divisible, but there is 2, so it is not divisible. So to make divisible, here if we add 5, then it will become what? 105. So least 3 digit number is divisible by 7 is 105. Can you understood? You see, again I am repeating, it was up to here, 4 7 jar 28, okay, remainder what? 2. So 2 is not divisible by 7. So to make it divisible, we have to add 5, that is 7. So in place of 2, if there were 7, then it would be divisible. So this 5 you have to add here, that is, you imagine here it was 5. So 105. The least number divisible by 7 is 105. So 105. Then 7 will increase, that is 105, 112, like this 119. It will be continuing like this, but what is the greatest 3 digit number? I am here showing how to find out this. To find out the greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is like this. You see, 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. If we divide it by 7, then 1, 7, then 4 7s are 28, remain what? 1, 19, then 7 2s are 14, remain what? 5. Is it okay? Okay. Now, for this 5, it is not divisible. And then now, if we add it to, like earlier 2, then it will become 7. Okay. Then it will be divisible. But here, if we add like this 2, then it will become 1001. So it will become 4-digit number. So here the technique is we have to keep it 3-digit number. So here we will use another way. So for this 5, it is not divisible. So if we subtract this 5, okay, then what will become? It would be here 0. Okay. So if we subtract here, then it will become 0, that is divisible. So for that, here we subtract here 4 9 9 4. Got it? So to find out the greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7, at last we will subtract a remainder and we will make it here 0. Then same subtract here 5, it will become 994. Here we have added, because if we add, then 3-digit will remain, but here if we add, then it will become 4-digit. So better to subtract. So greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 994. So the series is, here you can say, we have the least 3-digit number divisible by 7, 7 is, here I am rubbing it, 105, and the greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is how much? 994. Therefore, the series is how much? 105, then 112, then continue up to 994. Okay? Now you got the series. If you require third number, then 119. Okay? This is the series. Your question is, how many 3-digit number divisible by 7? That is 105, 112, 119, 994. Like this, how many numbers are there? This is a series. First term is 105 and the last term is 994. And in between these two, there are many numbers. How many numbers are there? We have to count it without actual counting using formula. So here A is equal to 105. So D is equal to how much? 112 minus 100, that is 7 increasing 7, and L is equal to how much? 994. What is to find out? How many terms are there in this series? That is, we have to find out n. To find n. Got it? This is the technique. Now, which formula you will use? Yes, because L is there. To find out L, to find out n, we know L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. No need to find use a n. Now what is the L? 994 is equal to how much A? A is 105 plus n minus 1. What is D? D is 7. Then 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. If we subtract, then n minus 1 into 7 is equal to, better to subtract here, 889. Now implies n minus 1 is equal to reduce it plus 1. This n will come here. So here I got the value of n as 128. So your question is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Therefore, required number of terms is equal to 128. Like this you can do question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250 is simply use the table of 4. So in between 10 and 250, 10 and then 250. In between these two, first term will become 12. 10, 11, 12, which is divisible by 4. And then here you see 250 you divide by 4. How much? 102. 8, that is 2 remainder. So subtract it from here, it will become 248. So last term will become 248, like earlier as we have found out. So first term will become 12 and last term is 248, and continue it. You can do it easily. If you find any difficulties, then you may contact with me. Question number 15. Question number 14 remain homework, and then question number 15. For what value of n are the n term of 2 APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 and are equal? For what value of n term of the 2 APs are equal? 2 APs are there, you see, 63, 65, 67 Here the first term is A, second term is 65, that is common difference is 2. Okay, so you will find out A n, and for the second series is 3, 10, 17 that is first term T. For the second series, first term T is 3, common difference D1 is equal to, you will subtract 10 minus 3, that is you will get 7. Okay, I am doing like this. am giving some hints. Question number 15. The given series are 63, 65, 67. Here A is equal to 63, D1 is equal to 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. Okay? And for second series is 3, 10, 17. Dot dot. Here T is equal to, because we have earlier denoted as A, now the first term will denote as T, 3, and earlier common difference D1, now common difference is D2, is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay? Now, in your question given, the for what value of n are the nth term of two series are equal. Now, since an for first series the nth term is an, and for the second series nth term is tn. An is equal to tn, it is given in the question. Now, since an is equal to tn implies put the formula of an, a plus n minus 1 into t1 is equal to t plus n minus 1 into d2. Okay? We have to find out the value of n. Now, a plus, what is n? Don't know. A minus n minus 1, what is d1? 2 is equal to, the value of a is 63, then value of t is 3 plus n minus 1 into d2, 7. Okay? Then implies 63 plus twice n minus 2 is equal to, like this, 3 plus 7n minus 7. Okay? Now we have to find out n. Implies twice n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. Minus 5n is equal to minus 65, n is equal to 13. I said I will give some end, but later on I have completed it. So, for what value of n are the nth term of the two series are equal? Here the answer is 13. So, the value of n is 13 we got. Determine the AP whose, now question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 17th term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Now we have to find out the AP. Okay? Have you done this? Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 17th term exceeds the fifth term by 12. We don't know the first term and the common difference, so first of all we will consider it. Let the first term A and the common difference D. Now what are the hints given? Third term is 16. A 3 is equal to 16 implies A plus twice D is equal to 16. This is your equation number 1. And second hint is 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12, and A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Got it? Implies A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12, implies AA get cancelled, then 6D minus 4D is equal to 12, implies twice D is equal to 12, implies D is equal to 6. You got the value of D. Then from 1, using the value of D from equation number 1, you can find out the value of A, and after finding A and D, any series you can do, you can write any series easily. So this remaining portion of this question number 16 remain for you. So try to solve it. Now question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of an AP 3, 8, 13 and 253. If you find any difficulties to complete this question number 16, then you must bring me. Question number 16. Find the 20th term of from the last term of the series 3, 8, 13 and up to 253. The given series is what is the series? 3, 8, 13 and the last term is 253. So here first term A is equal to 3, common difference last term L is equal to 253 and common difference D is equal to 5. How 5? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now one interesting thing you see, if we reverse the series, that is if you count from the last, here 3, 8, 13 up to 253. If you count like this 253, then how much? Then up to 3. That is first last term first and the first term last, if you count. then what will become? If we reverse the series, then A will become what? Last one, 253. L will become the last one, that is 3. And D will become what? Whatever the D is for the given series, and if we reverse the series, the D will be the additive inverse. Mind it, here D was plus 5, 5 that is plus 5. So if we reverse the series, then it will become minus 5. If it was minus 5, then here it would be plus 5. That is, if we reverse any series, then first term will become last term and last term will become the first term. It is commonly visible here clearly, and the common difference will become the additive inverse of the previous one. That is, earlier D was plus 5, now D will be minus 5. Now your question is, find the 20th term. From the new series, I am not writing the series, new series, you have to find out the 20th term. Therefore, A20 is equal to A plus 19D. Here A is how much? 253 plus 19 into D is minus 5. Now I am keeping this thing also for you. If I not give homework, then there will be nothing to do at home. So I am keeping this for you. Okay? Next, now question number 18. The sum of the 14 and 8 term of AP is 24 and the sum of the 16 term is 6th term and 10 term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Here also I am giving some hints because time will not permit if I try to do all this sum completely. So I am giving some hints. Hints of more than 50% I am showing here. If the sum of the 4th term and 8th term, some terms are given but not given the first term and the last term or common difference. So first of all we have to declare the first term and the common difference. Let the first term be A and common difference D. Here two conditions are given, two parts of the question are given. So according to condition 1, sum of first 4th term and 8th term, A4 plus A8 is equal to how much? 24. Implies A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. Implies twice A plus 10D is equal to 24. This is your equation number 1. According to condition 2, sixth term and 10th term, A6 plus A10 is equal to how much? 44. Implies A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. implies twice A plus 14D is equal to 44. Implies take A common, A plus 7D is equal to 22, equation number 1. Here also take common, A plus 5D is equal to 12, equation number 2. Okay. Now equating equation number 1 and 2, you can find out the value of A and D, and then you can easily find out the first 3 terms, or you can find first 30 term also. Okay. Question number 9. Question number 19. Got it? You try to complete this sum. Here question number 2. Complete this sum, and then we proceed to question number 19. Chandra started work in 995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and receives an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? He started for a job in 1995 with a salary of rupees 5,000. So the series is for first year 5,000, and every year she got 200 as increment. So 5,000, 200 for second year, like this 5,000, 400 for third year, and continue her service, and in a certain year she got her salary as rupees 7,000. And your question is, in which year does she got rupees 7,000? That is, what is to find out? L or AN. Here not mentioned that her service is terminated, so her service was continued, so we will term this as AN. Here A is equal to, first term A is equal to 5,000, common difference D is equal to 200, and AN is equal to how much? 7,000. To find, what is to find out? To find N. Which formula you will use? We know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You put the value of 7,000, put the value of AN, that is 7,000, A is 5,000, plus N how much? Don't know, minus 1 into D is 200. You will continue like this, you will get the value of N. Okay. So the answer will be 11. N is equal to 11. So this is also one of your homework. Just continue the calculation, you will get the result. Last but not the least, question number 20. Ramcharan saves rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased his weekly savings by rupees 100 or 1.75. If in the nth week, his weekly savings become rupees 20.75. Find n. Like this, like the previous one. Here also I will give some hints only, and you will continue the sum. Question number 20. So Ramcharan saves rupees 5 for first year. So here n is equal to 5, and weekly savings how much? 1.75. So this is 1.75 is the common difference, and in the nth week his weekly savings becomes rupees 20.75. So n is equal to 20.75. What is to find out? We have to find out n. We know n is equal to, like this, put the value, you will get the result. So I am helping you. 20.75 here is equal to a how much? 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75. So let us continue it. 20.75 minus 5 is equal to 1.75 into n minus 1. How to do? You see. Now, if we subtract, what will we get? 15 point implies 15.75 is equal to 1.75 into n minus 1, implies n minus 1 is equal to 15.75 by 1.75. Now you see n minus 1 is equal to 1575 by 175. Okay. Now you find out n. Okay. Reduce it, then n. And this is up to today's class, and here 5.2 we have completed. In next class we will continue with this chapter from exercise 5.3, and whatever I have given homework or uncompleted sum, all these are remaining for you. If you find any difficulties, then you may contact with me. You please give a ring. I will be there to help you. And you see one more things. Some examples are given in exercise 5.2. Example 3, page number 127. Example 5, same page. Example 6, example 7, example 8. All you try to do yourself without looking at the book. Just copy the question from the example and try to solve yourself. Then also if you find any difficulties, then you may take help from me. And this is up to today's class. Have a good day.